hello guys, welcome to my channel BK Vocal. Today we are going to discuss on one of those important things why 70 to 80% of the company employees leave. Employees don't leave companies, they leave their managers. That is very important point to keep in mind, and that is why I thought we should make a topic or a video on dealing with difficult bosses. So let's start and understand how to deal with such kind of people and how do we manage ourselves and how do we take our good relation and build our good relation and then proceed further. So let's start for the day. So first and foremost thing what we need to do is never skip our manager and then go and report it to our super boss, which actually will be the major cause of rupturing and then uh, you know uh, bringing our relation into a more stubborn or a critical situation where it might break. So let's stop this activity or do not do such kind of an activity which will damage your relation with your current boss, because try to understand what is that keeps him motivated, why is he behaving in such a pattern, whether he is actually have some agenda behind where he want to succeed, and that is why he's being very strict on rules and regulations. Why is he asking all this? So keep that in mind. Try to identify that from your boss behavior or with his talk, and then try to sort out this. That would definitely help you maintain a good relation. So sit with your boss and understand one thing: what is that he's expecting from you, and what is that he is expecting with overall team, and how can you be an help for him to sort out that problem. This would definitely build a good relation with him, and that would help you to manage yourself and then move across to the next level as well. So identify what actually imbalances him or what triggers him with the negative factors. So go understand and approach him. Try to understand what is that issues that he has and try to sort out, and never enter into such an area where he gets angry with you or furious with you, and then that spoils your both professional and personal relationship. So try to avoid such kind of thing. Then identify what is that he is actually looking, what are his preferences, how do you match across with him, or how do you adapt to such kind of an environment, and then gel with him and the other team members and be a good employee as well. So these things will definitely add value to what you are actually making, and try to avoid and build a good relation. And this is how you actually deal with lot of difficult bosses who follow such systematic thing, or they don't have a systematic pattern. So what you need to do is, last and foremost, final thing, I would say, do not disturb your way of working, because the moment you take all this into your mind and you start underperforming, that would be one of the other reasons why your manager might become more strict with you or more problematic for you to handle and work out. So guys, please understand, even he is an employee and he has to survive in the market as well. So if he has some specific pattern, try to understand, gel with him, and try to sort out things, because this would help both of you for longer run, and you both will be successful together in taking all these points. So thank you for watching the video. Please keep these points in mind before you quit your job. So keep that in mind. Enjoy your day. Take care.
Like, subscribe, and share.